Okay, so we got here at their camp and we got Kai with us. He's the owner and operator of said rolled 4Runner.
Yes.
So he's gonna show us where it's at. We got about 15 minutes up the road. So we're gonna mosey on up there.
We got it, my buddies came out there with a tow rope and it was on its side, so they got it right the right way up and they put it on the side of the road, so it'll be it'll be in good shape. It's not looking too great though.
A little bit of damage. You say it was a 23?
Yeah, 23.
2023 Toyota 4Runner.
Hate to see it. Having too much fun.
Maybe we should buy it from the insurance company and buggy it.
Yeah. You have search and rescue going out for the side-by-side?
Yeah, so he called search and rescue before he called us because he was worried about getting his family off the mountain, which is why we decided to come do this one first, because that one's not a hurry. So, but he just texted me and said they're not out there yet. Okay, we are getting close on our other recovery, so we will hurry and head out there as soon as we can.
Were you driving?
Yes.
This took the crap out of you?
Yeah. Yeah, it did. This is a situation. I was having a little too much fun on the whoops, going a little too quick, caught some air, and there was a little inlet on the left side of the road. My front left tire got caught in that and it sent me into a roll, and there was nothing I could do from there. But I tried to break the glass to get out once I was in, but I figured out the best way to get out was to just open the door, because it was right above my head, and just push my way out. So that worked.
No bumps or bruises?
Hit my knee a little bit, but other than that, I'm totally fine, which is crazy. No bumps or bruises.
That's awesome.
My dad used to tell us, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes.
Very true. The more you get around, the more you find out. That's very true.
Yeah.
There she is. I'll show you.
And from other...
So is it up here a little bit?
Yeah, so what's it? Yeah, that inlet right there, I caught my wheel on hard. The semi spiral. Get that. Really hard. Whoops are.
We're just gonna come up and turn around.
Yeah, right here. So I put up on that rock to the left.
This is the whoopsie. Yeah, you must be going pretty fast to land all the way down there.
I was going quick. I'll show you the video. But I did a run through before at similar speed.
I drove over a dead tree.
That's so far from where I think.
Yeah.
How did I even?
Yeah. We can buy it back from the insurance and then we cut it all up and use it for a buggy. Are we gonna try and take that rim and put it here?
No. That tire's done. Rim's done. It's not gonna do any more damage.
I mean,
It's gonna be slick no matter what. I don't think
maybe the flat tire will help.
Yeah, I don't think it'll matter.
So. All right.
Is that over far enough? Or?
Well, we could hook right here and swing it over farther. It didn't want to come over anymore, but I think we want to take this plastic off.
Do we have a spare, or are we going to put this tire on the back?
No.
Leave the back how it is. We're just dragging it down to the rollback.
It might help it on that slick spot.
Do you have a
Digging in?
Yeah. Just on the other side of your camp. So we brought a rollback up here. I can tow it all the way with that, but it's just easier to tow the whole thing on a rollback, right?
So we just have these 2 clips right here.
Mind if I cut the...
That's insane. That was a pretty bad walk.
Go take a look.
Might want to look and see.
What is that?
They look like a 10mm. Put the hook on the back side, but I can hold it with my fingers, and it's still coming out.
I didn't know. Okay, it's in neutral with the parking brake on, so you can just drag the front over. I'm gonna. Yeah, I think it is. We're making Ben do all the work because he came in his work clothes.
That's better anyways.
When Ben does all the work? I agree.
I think he's better than you at it.
Better doing the work?
Yeah.
Probably. He's older, more experience.
Yep.
I have a safety net.
We got it. It's on there now. You know Lunchbox has got to throw that in there.
Here, let her drop.
How tight is yours?
I went tight. Tighten yours up. That's pretty loose. We haven't put the controller on yet because we're probably going to change the airbag system out when we pull the bed and reinforce all the frame and everything. So I haven't bothered putting the control system.
That's fine, right there.
Yep. We couldn't get it off. Something's going on with the lock. There's a key for it.
Okay, probably straighten out.
I am.
Yeah, the J-hook changed so we can tighten it up, and then because two of the wheels aren't gonna be held very good.
So, there's a 5-foot chains in here.
It's got 2 good tires.
You can put it there and wrap it around.
So we'll put one of these on that one and one on the right front.
Yeah. Easier.
Thank you guys so much. So grateful for this.
Yeah. No problem. It's pretty easy when you have the right equipment.
True. Or we've been doing it for 20 years also. Pick a thing up along the way. Thing or two.
Yeah.
I have a strap I can tie it on with.
Oh,
It just needs to go up a little bit and in. There we go. And this one.
okay. That one's gonna be a...
I just don't have any leverage.
Yeah.
Let me strap them.
Yeah, might just have to strap this one.
Violation. No.
This is just I think it's just the sheriff's office putting this on saying we know about it.
So
they
that people
probably
don't
had a
keep
bunch
calling.
of calls.
Yeah, people kept calling. I had to put that stuff. Exactly why.
You can't park here.
Yeah, that's literally what the police officer told me.
Are you going to need one in the Montero on that side by side?
Maybe, because it's thin and has some ground clearance.
Are you swinging by American Fork? I'm going to drop this out.
Yeah,
You don't have to.
I can. I mean, it's on the way home, so.
Where's that side by side at?
Burning?
It's not by burning.
Yeah, the
So
mountain up
search
on
and
the
rescue
backside.
still hasn't got to him. So I think I'm just gonna buzz straight out and try to get there as fast as I can.
Okay.
We'll all just have to meet out there. I text the coordinates to the group, so.
Okay, I'll drop this off and